Hi everyone, welcome to Village Coder. So today we'll be solving a standard interview problem in Java. So as per the problem, I have created one student class, and student class has few members like roll number and first name and last name. So the question is, given a list of students, sort the list on basis of first name and last name. And we have to sort the list firstly with the first name, then with last name, and we have to use like comparator and comparable both. So we'll show you how we can do it. Firstly we'll try with using comparator, then we can use like comparable also. So in my main class like I have created one list of students, and I have added few students. So in my main function I have created a list of students. So now I have just tried printing all of them, and as we know, in list the insertion order is maintained. So I am getting the data in the insertion order, in the order I have inserted the data. So now we have to sort this. So if I just try normal collections.sort, so if I try collections.sort for this students list, this is the issue. So there is no comparable exists, so we need to create either like in our student class it should inherit comparable, or we need to create a comparator. So first I'll try creating a comparator. So I'll try creating a comparator using Java 8. Like I'll take two students, let's say S1 and S2. And I'll try to first check their first name. So I'll try to compare S1 dot first name and then S1 dot first name. I'll try to compare this with the first name of S2. So and if so this compared to ignored case, this can return 0 if both the first name are same, and if they're not same, I think it will return like -1 or like some positive value or some negative value. So if this is 0, in that case will return if this value is 0. That means if the first name are both same for S1 and S2, these two I have taken in my lambda function. If first name of both S1 and S2 are same, I'll try to compare last name of both. So S1 dot last name dot compare to ignored case, and I'll pass here S2 dot last name. And if this is not same, if the first case is not is equal to 0, then we'll return S1 dot first name and S2 dot first name. That's it. I think that's it. So let's try printing it. So here we can see we are getting it sorted in the form of like first name and last name. So I think you guys can see this. So this is done using comparator. So now we'll try to do this using comparable. So I'll just remove this, and in my student class I'll implement comparable, comparable of students. So now I need to like override there is some compared to method. I think there is some compared to method. If I go inside, yeah, there is compared to method, and this returns 0 and 1 and -1. So actually how sort works, so if this compared to function returns 0, that means while comparing two objects, uh, like while sorting, we only just do comparing and we just change the positions. So if this returns 0, that means no changes should be done. If it returns negative, I think in that case also no swapping will be done, and in case of positive we need to swap. So yeah, let's try to write the same. So if I have, yeah, we can write lambda function also, else we can let's write it in an easier way. So int let's say I'll take this as result is equals to s1 dot, okay, so I have a student s, and I have to compare this with the existing one. So this dot first name dot compare to ignore case s dot first name, and if the result is 0, in that case we'll return, yeah, this dot last name dot compare to ignore case is dot last name, else we'll return result. So I think that's it. I'm getting an error here. Okay, so I can just return result. I think this will work. So now I'll move to my main function and I'll just try collections dot sort here. So as the student class implements comparable, so it can use that collection dot sort now. So let's see. Yeah, now also we are getting the data in sorted order, sorted firstly by first name and then by last name. So thank you for watching this video. Please let us know in the comment section if you know any other way to sort this student class. Thanks a lot.